Hi guys! So today we're going to do speed, distance, time, and I want to introduce how to use this funny triangle you've been working with, because it's not just going to be useful now, but in all kinds of relationships in maths and physics. This one is distance, speed, and time. My old maths teacher told me to remember DSTV. That's like a satellite TV thing we used to have. I don't know if you guys even know what it is. Anyway, the D is on top, DST, and it's going to be distance. We measure it in kilometers, sometimes in meters, time in hour or seconds, and speed obviously needs to relate to the quantities you're using in your particular problem. So if we had meters and seconds, of course your speed would be meters per second. Okay, now how do we use it? So what you're going to do is you're going to cover up the one you want, and the two left over will tell you. These two being next to each other looks like a multiplication, and it is. Speed times time. If you want speed, cover up the S, and d over t, or d divided by t, is going to give us your speed, which makes sense, meters per second. Okay. For time, you cover up the t, and you get d over s. And there you have the three formulae that you need for this section, and using the triangle in this way with the cover-up method, it stops you having to remember all the three formulae. You can just remember how to draw the triangle. It's really useful. So we'll try some problems now. For distance, we'll look at Rebecca driving 83 kilometers per hour for 6 hours, since obviously Rebecca has a car and drives everywhere. Okay, so we're going to cover up the distance, and we're going to get speed times time. Now you know the speed is 83 and the time is 6, so really this isn't that difficult, especially if you have a calculator. 83 times 6. You don't need a calculator, you can do it like me. 3 times 6 is 18, carry 1. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 1 is 49. And you'll still get the 498 kilometers that Rebecca travels. Let's try one more for today. And this time we'll look at speed. So Goba, he runs 200 meters in 25 seconds. That is very fast, by the way. Usain Bolt is 19 seconds. Anyway, how fast does he run in meters per second? So you cover the speed up and you get distance over time. So we know we're just going to be dividing the 200 by the 25. And since 25 goes into 100 4 times, it's going to go into 200 8 times. And Goba runs at 8 meters per second, which is really fast. I'm going to save a time example for tomorrow's video because I want to really focus and get into how you convert the hours to seconds. Anyway, I hope it helped, guys. Thanks to Alani for suggesting this topic, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!